Hello and welcome back, food lovers. How are you all doing? You're looking pretty good today. That change is doing you good. Today we're making Mapo Tofu. This is a popular dish from the Sichuan region of China. It consists of tofu and meat set in a spicy sauce. It's straightforward to make and is full of flavour. Okay, let's go and make some Mapo Tofu. Hey folks, so these are the ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe. The volumes are not an exact science, so feel free to adjust them depending on your taste. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 3 spring onions. Half a litre of chicken stock. 400 grams of ground meat of your choice. I'm using pork here, but you can also use beef or chicken. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. 2 cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger. ,400 grams of tofu. Some spicy hot bean sauce. 1 tablespoon of chilli oil. 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorns. And 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. The first thing to do is to toast the Sichuan peppercorns over a medium heat for about 4 minutes. What this does is it helps to release the oils so that they can infuse into the food. Give them a shake every now and then to prevent burning. Then crush them using a pestle and mortar. Chop the garlic and ginger into small pieces. And cut the spring onions into 1 centimeter chunks. Next, add the sunflower oil and sesame oil into the pan or wok and gently fry the meat. When the meat has browned slightly, add in the ginger and garlic. Then stir in the hot bean sauce. How much you add depends on how hot you like your food. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. At this point, also add in the hot chili oil. And the soy sauce. And the Sichuan peppercorns. And also the rice vinegar. And finally, the spring onions. Pour in the chicken stock and bring it up to a boil. Pour a few tablespoons of water into the corn flour to make a slurry. and add this into the dish. This will help to thicken it up slightly. Cut the tofu into cube-sized pieces. About 2 centimeters in size is what you're aiming for. Add the tofu into the pan and mix it well into the sauce. Put the lid onto the pot and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. After that time, the Mapo tofu is ready. Serve it in an earthenware pot for that authentic style and add on some chopped spring onions on top. Eat it over some freshly cooked steamed rice, and you have a dinner fit for an emperor or empress. So that's how you make Mapo tofu. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.